Welcome to our lab here in Harwell in the heart of Oxfordshire. We have some amazing cars and tools around us, as you can see, that allows us to test and trial new 5G ideas.
We're here today to talk about private 5G with Virgin Media O2. After quite some time, we've finally put the lab together. We've built the kind of CISCO highly automated private 5G core. We've got Airspan who've come in and they've built a private 5G network at kind of mid-band using both Virgin Media spectrum and shared spectrum from Ofcom. We're now demonstrating our platforms.
Today, very excited to get an update on the 5G drive. I think we all recognise the role of public networks. Now we're seeing private networks. 5G drive really instrumental in trying to diminish the friction as we transition between those public and private networks. And I'm really setting the agenda from a technology perspective, driving into standards about the enhancements we need to then remove that friction between those public networks and those private networks.
Come on, let me test, show us what we've got, what have you built?
Yeah, sure, let us look. I've got some fabulous stuff for you to see here. So what we've got here is a CISCO's Private 5G solution here. So out there, first of all, we got that radio unit over there. So it's been set up at the set requirements that's been provided to us. So that's going to transmit out to the handsets. What it does is it sends all those signals through that cable onto this particular server here, which is our CISCO Packet Core 5G standalone unit. The packet core then does processing and sends the traffic through this NCS switch onto the firewall and out to the internet. So this is how the traffic flows from the handset all the way through to the CISCO Private 5G and onto the internet.
Private networks is a key part of the business strategy. We see this as a real growth part of our business. We're seeing lots of enterprise customers investigating how private 5G can really enable them to better operationalize their technologies and applications, both from a people perspective and also from an IoT perspective. It's a real digital transformation journey our customers are on. Private networks is a key part of that. And that's why as Virgin Media O2 we're investing heavily in enhancing our capability there. I'm here today actually with CISCO. We're looking at their private 5G offering, trying to understand how that helps us as Virgin Media O2 address the needs of our customers. And a key thing we're looking at here is how we can roam from a private network onto a public network. And that's key for a lot of our businesses. Is if we look at their use cases, particularly manufacturing facilities, transport hubs like ports and logistics companies, they not only have a need to actually have localized private 5G coverage, but obviously wider area needs as well, where they actually have to migrate from a private 5G onto a public network. And what we're looking at here is how we can enable that as part of our future evolution of our technology. And I think that's going to be a key growth area for us and a key part of what the innovation team here at Virgin Media O2 are looking at doing to enable us address the needs of our customers in the future.